Hi boys and girls. Today's Chalk and Sock lesson is going to focus on the letter R. The letter R is a continuous sound because we can say and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. And we can form the letter R using one-stroke printing. So when I do the lowercase r, I start at the top, I come down, back up, and over. And the sound that the R produces is R. So how about you try to form 5 R's with me and say the sound out loud with your mom or dad at home each time. Here we go. R, 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 R. Good job. Okay, let's erase our boards. You know what time it is. It's time to set up for our listening game. So we're going to divide our board or our paper into 4 equal parts, also known as quadrants. So we'll divide the board down in half, and we will divide the board in half this way. Always my challenge. And we're focusing on the letter R, the sound R. So I'm going to put it right up here as a reminder for you. And let's number our quadrants. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. What comes next? You know it. Beginning sound and end sound. Beginning sound, end sound. Beginning sound, end sound. Beginning sound and end sound. And here are your words. So the first word, you're going to decide where do you hear the sound R at the beginning or end, and you're going to say it out loud if you're not so sure. The first word is ring. The second word is doctor. The third word is stare. And the fourth word is ribbon. How'd you do with those R's? All right, let's take that up. So the first word was ring, and that R is found at the beginning of the word, ring. The next word was doctor, and that sound of R is found at the end of the word, R. The third word was stare, and the R comes here. I think I have 14 stairs going upstairs. And the last word was ribbon, and that sound of R is found at the beginning of the word. How did you do? All right, let's erase our boards and we're going to get ready to spell some words. So erase your board, and then you're going to write the numbers 1 to 4 down the side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the vowel card, and we will soon be introduced to our second vowel, but for now we have been focusing on the vowel A, and the sound produced is ah. It's what we call the short vowel sound. And again, I'm going to use these blocks to let you know how many letters and how many sounds are in my word. So the first word that I would like you to stretch out when you say it out loud is the word ram. 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 So on your board or on your paper, ram. The second word has the same kind of a model. And the second word is rat. Sometimes people have a rat as a pet. Rat. 3 letters. Number 2. I'm going to add a block on here. And you're going to add a letter on to your last word, because for number 3, the new word is rats. If you had more than one rat. Rats. And the last word, I'm going to flip this model around. And this word, sometimes your teachers will get you to do this in the gym. They'll call it a crab walk. So your word is crab. It's a little bit of a trickier one. I'm going to move my board down. Because the first word, or the first letter, it's a stop sound. So we have to say it really, really quickly. So crab. Crab. All right, let's take these up. The first word that we were looking at was the word ram. R A ram. The second word was rat. The third word, we added one letter on to make it more than one, so plural, and the word was rats. So we've got our s. And the fourth and the last word for today was the word crab. Here's that B. Down, up, and around. How did you do? Good job, everyone. I'll see you soon.